News coming in that the Supreme Court Constitution Bench has issued a notice to all state governments in the matter of the Rajiv Gandhi assassin's release case. For more on this, let's go across to Meenakshi, who's on the phone line. Yes, Meenakshi.
Well, essentially, this will come as a big breather for those being involved in the case. You'll recall on earlier occasions when it was a Congress-led government at centre, we had seen the strict opposition that that time the centre had put forth before the Supreme Court when Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha had made an announcement pertaining to the release of Rajiv Gandhi's assassins. And today, just a short while back, the Supreme Court's Constitution Bench has gone ahead and issued notices to all the state governments on the point of law. If it is a case involving a CBI investigation, to what extent do the state governments have the power of remission? Alongside, what is very interesting is the court has not just sought reply from all the state governments by the 18th of July, it has also gone ahead and prevented or restrained any state government from releasing or remitting the sentences of any death sentence convicts who have been investigated by the CBI and who have been booked under the harsher provisions of law, which include some provisions of IPC, which include provisions of TADA, and other harsher provisions which involves a center-monitored investigation. You'll recall during the arguments in the Supreme Court, which was headed by the then Chief Justice, Honorable Justice P. Sathasivam, who had gone ahead and referred this matter to a larger Constitution Bench. Today, the Constitution Bench has issued notices to all state governments, and clearly this aspect of law involving CBI monitored investigations or CBI investigations and the power of the state governments is something that the Supreme Court is looking very seriously at. And for now, the news coming in from the Supreme Court is that immediate relief, if at all Rajiv Gandhi's assassins were perhaps looking towards, has not come by. Clearly, at least till the 22nd of July, no state government can go ahead and grant any remission to people who are booked under these provisions of law. Back to you.
Now, clearly, Meenakshi, this is a significant case. Do we know how much time has been given by the Apex Court to the state governments to file in their replies?
Yes, absolutely. This is a case which will have implications going forward. This is the Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court. This is a 5-judge bench, and whatever ruling will come by at a later point in date will have a binding effect not just on the central government but also on the state governments. This will go down as a precedent of sorts, and in pursuance of that, the Supreme Court has sought reply from all the state governments by the 18th of July. So clearly, all state governments will now have to get back to the Supreme Court about their points of view vis-a-vis this aspect of law, that a case involving CBI monitored investigations, what is the extent of the state government's involvement in granting the benefit of remission to those who have been charged, convicted and booked under the harsher provisions of law. The earlier Congress-led government at the centre had strictly opposed the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister's announcement or intention to go ahead and permit remission to Nalini and other 3 accused in the Rajiv Gandhi case. And therefore, today we have seen this matter reach the Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court, which is now currently seized of the matter. And going forward, it will be very interesting to watch the final outcome of this case. But for now, Supreme Court very much in control of the case, clearly restraining any state government from granting any remission to any such convicts, at least till the 22nd of July.